Hey there! Today, we're diving into something you probably use all the time but rarely stop to think about: vegetable oil. Whether you're frying, baking, or making salad dressing, vegetable oil is one of those kitchen staples that quietly works its magic. But have you ever wondered how vegetable oil is made? Spoiler alert, it's a fascinating mix of science, technology, and a whole lot of squishing and squeezing. Let's break it down. First things first, what even is vegetable oil? It's a generic term for oils extracted from various plant seeds, nuts, or fruits. Popular examples include soybean oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, and palm oil. Each type has its unique flavor, cooking properties, and extraction process, but the basics are pretty similar. Today, we'll focus on the general process that's common across most types of vegetable oils. Step 1. The raw material, seeds and fruits. The process starts with harvesting the raw material, which could be anything from soybeans and sunflowers to olives or coconuts. Each source has its own growing season and harvesting method. For example, soybeans are collected using massive combines, while olives are hand-picked or shaken off trees onto nets. Once harvested, the raw materials are cleaned to remove dirt, leaves, and other debris. This ensures the oil doesn't get contaminated during production. Step 2. Preparation, breaking things down. Next, the seeds or fruits need to be prepared for oil extraction. This usually involves a combination of grinding, crushing, or flaking. For example, sunflower seeds are rolled into thin flakes to make it easier to extract the oil. For nuts like coconuts, the hard shells are removed and the flesh is grated or shredded. This step is all about increasing the surface area of the material so we can get as much oil as possible. Step 3. Oil extraction. The heart of the process. Now comes the main event: extracting the oil. This can be done in two main ways: mechanical pressing and solvent extraction. Mechanical pressing. In this method, the prepared seeds or fruits are placed into a press, where immense pressure is applied to squeeze out the oil. Imagine a giant industrial-sized juicer. For smaller-scale production, a screw press might be used. The process is simple, effective, and doesn't involve chemicals, making it popular for natural or organic oils. Solvent extraction. For large-scale production, mechanical pressing alone isn't efficient enough. This is where solvent extraction comes in. In this method, a chemical solvent, usually hexane, is added to the crushed material to dissolve the oil. The mixture is then heated, and the oil is separated from the solvent. While it may sound intense, don't worry. The solvent is removed entirely by the end of the process, making the oil safe to consume. Step 4. Deodorizing, removing odors. If you've ever smelled raw vegetable oil, you'll know it's not exactly appetizing. That's why many oils go through a deodorizing step. The oil is heated to a high temperature under a vacuum, which removes any unpleasant odors or volatile compounds. The result is a light, odorless oil that won't overpower your food. Step 5. Packaging. Ready for your kitchen. Once the oil is refined and deodorized, it's time to package it up. The oil is filtered one final time to ensure it's crystal clear, then pumped into bottles or containers. These are sealed to keep the oil fresh and labeled with all the information you'd expect to see, like the type of oil, nutritional facts, and best before date. From there, it's shipped to stores and eventually to your kitchen. What about cold-pressed oils? You've probably seen cold-pressed or extra virgin oils at the store and wondered what makes them special. Cold-pressed oils skip the refining and deodorizing steps, which means they retain more of their natural flavors, colors, and nutrients. However, they also have a shorter shelf life and are often more expensive. Think of them as the artisanal cousins of regular vegetable oils. Sustainability concerns. While vegetable oil is a kitchen staple, its production isn't without controversy. Crops like palm oil have been linked to deforestation and habitat destruction, particularly in tropical regions. That's why many companies are now adopting sustainable practices, like using certified sustainable palm oil or switching to crops that have a lower environmental impact, like sunflower or canola. Recycling is another big focus. Used cooking oil can be collected and converted into biodiesel, reducing waste and giving it a second life as a renewable energy source. Fun facts about vegetable oil. Did you know that ancient Egyptians were making vegetable oil over 4,000 years ago? They used stones to crush seeds and extract the oil by hand. Coconut oil, while technically a vegetable oil, solidifies at room temperature because it's high in saturated fats. The largest producer of soybean oil in the world is the United States, followed by Brazil and Argentina. So there you have it, the journey of vegetable oil, from humble seeds and fruits to the golden liquid sitting in your pantry. It's easy to take for granted, but the process behind it is a marvel of engineering and ingenuity. The next time you're frying up some pancakes or tossing a salad, take a moment to appreciate the science and effort that went into that bottle of oil. Vegetable oil production is a testament to how humans have continuously innovated to make everyday life easier. From ancient crushing methods to modern industrial processes, every bottle tells a story of progress, resourcefulness, and the quest to nourish the world. As we become more conscious of sustainability, it's encouraging to see how the industry is adapting to reduce its environmental footprint. From eco-friendly farming to recycling used oil, every small step counts. And while vegetable oil may seem like just another item on the grocery shelf, it's a product of history, innovation, and ongoing improvement.